WXM60 alert! WXM60 alert! WXM60 is going off! Another marine warning. From Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey at 20 nautical miles. Waters from Little Lake Inlet to Little Lake Inlet to Great Lake Inlet, New Jersey at 20 to 40 nautical miles. From, I don't know. Let me see if KW35 is going to go off for this.
Water south can easily overcome those temperatures locally hazardous. Keep safe travel and safety.
We don't have a singular risk, not even a thunderstorm risk. We already have marine warnings and a possible tornado warning when these marine warnings get on land.